Welcome to our video on 6 cool products on AliExpress, where we're showcasing some of the most unique and functional gadgets available today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. UGREEN Vertical Mouse. The UGREEN Vertical Mouse brings ergonomic design to the forefront, giving you a comfortable grip while reducing strain on your wrist during long sessions. It offers dual connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it compatible with various devices from MacBooks to tablets and PCs. The mouse is adjustable up to 4000 dpi, letting you fine-tune the sensitivity for precise control. With 6 silent buttons, you can work in a noise-free environment, and the mute-clicking technology keeps the experience distraction-free. For anyone prioritizing ergonomic health without compromising on performance, this vertical mouse is a fantastic choice. 5. Xiaomi Electric Precision Screwdriver Kit. Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Electric Precision Screwdriver Kit, a compact yet highly functional tool for precision tasks. This kit features a magnetic storage case that makes organization easy, so you can press and release bits as needed. Equipped with a strong magnetic motor, it spins at a maximum of 200 RPM with an all-metal gearbox, providing impressive precision and efficiency. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery powers through over 400 screws on a single charge, ensuring long-lasting performance. The kit includes 24 S2 steel precision bits and 6 longer bits to handle everything from smartphones and watches to small home appliances. With 2 torque settings, 0.05 nm for delicate items and 0.2 nm for tougher applications, it's highly versatile. Its TPU soft-touch design ensures comfort, while the aluminum alloy shell adds durability. Plus, it has a Type-C charging port and battery safety measures, keeping things smooth and safe for both the user and the device. 4. Nightlight Levitating Moon Lamp. The Nightlight Levitating Moon Lamp is a marvel in home decor, using magnetic levitation to float a detailed, 3D-printed moon replica. This lamp is crafted from PLA, an eco-friendly material sourced from corn stalks, making it both sustainable and striking. Perfect for creating ambiance, it provides a soft glow that enhances any room's charm, especially during evening hours. The realistic moon surface, achieved through innovative 3D printing, makes it an eye-catching centerpiece. Whether as a gift or a unique decor piece, this moon lamp brings a touch of the cosmos into your home, making any space feel enchanting and serene. 3. WUBEN G2 Keychain Light. The WUBEN G2 Keychain Light proves that big things can come in small packages. Despite its tiny size, this keychain light packs a powerful 500 lumens, delivering bright and reliable illumination whenever you need it. It's rechargeable via Type-C, ensuring convenient and quick charging. With 5 lighting modes, you can switch between high, medium, and low intensity, strobe, and SOS, making it versatile enough for various situations. The magnetic tail allows for hands-free use, as it can attach to any metal surface. The wide-angle illumination at 175 degrees ensures broader visibility, ideal for late-night walks, camping, or emergency repairs. Compact and practical, this keychain flashlight is a must-have for anyone on the go. 2. AJAZZ AJ159 Wireless Mouse. The AJAZZ AJ159 Apex wireless mouse redefines gaming performance with its PAW3950 Apex optical sensor, which provides sensitivity up to 30K dpi, overclockable to 42K dpi, for unmatched precision. With a polling rate of up to 8000 Hz in wireless mode, this mouse ensures real-time accuracy and responsiveness. Weighing just 56 grams, it features a sleek and comfortable design, coated with an ice feel finish to keep your grip steady even in intense gaming sessions. The magnetic charging dock adds a cool visual element with adjustable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your setup. You can customize button functions, monitor battery life, and adjust DPI through powerful software available on the AJAZZ website. Durable with Teflon foot pads and Huano switches tested for over 100 million clicks, this mouse is both ultra-responsive and reliable. Available in various vibrant colors, it adds personality to your gaming experience. 1 Hagibis LED Display Adapter. The Hagibis 240-watt USB-C adapter is the ultimate charging and data transfer solution, featuring an LED display to monitor power, current, and voltage in real time. Built with an eMarker chip, it supports 240-watt fast charging compatible with PD 3.1 standards, allowing fast and efficient charging even for power-hungry devices. The adapter's USB 4 standard allows an impressive 40 Gbps data transfer speed, making it a game-changer for large data transfers. You can also connect your laptop to an external monitor for up to 8K at 60 Hz or two 4K displays, giving you a professional high-definition experience. Compatible with various devices, from MacBook Pros to iPhone 16 and high-powered laptops, it supports backward compatibility with older USB versions, adding immense flexibility. With its robust build and fast performance, this adapter is essential for anyone looking to streamline their tech setup. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.